Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala Muhammad. Viewers, you are welcome to explore the new topic of entrepreneurship series, and that is the social media marketing. Social media marketing plays a very vital role in the launch and success of new venture. So today it is the episode 12 of this series and we are going to get to know about social media marketing significance. But before moving ahead, let's explore a wonderful success story of a charismatic and well-renowned entrepreneur. And who is he? Let's discover together. William Henry Gates III, known as Bill Gates, born October 28, 1955, is an American business magnate, software developer, investor, and philanthropist. He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. Bill Gates is one of the most famous entrepreneurs of our era, the richest man in the world. Gates has a net worth estimated to be over $113 billion. He has held the title of world's wealthiest individual for 16 of the past 21 years. Co-founder of the world's largest PC software company, Microsoft, Gates was one of the defining figures of the personal computer revolution. Gates showed an interest in computer programming at a very young age, spending all of his free time creating programs on the teletype terminal computer his school had donated. Gates went on to create Microsoft and develop the Windows operating system, which continues to be tremendously popular. Bill Gates is, like many other famous entrepreneurs, also known for his philanthropic activities, donating very large amount of money to charitable organizations and scientific projects. Gates established the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation in 2000, a private philanthropic foundation dedicated to reducing poverty, enhancing healthcare, improving education opportunities, and providing access to technology worldwide. Gates himself has donated over $28 billion to the foundation, which he continues to for a long time. Well, viewers, from this inspirational and very interesting success story of Bill Gates, during his career at Microsoft, Gates held the positions of chairman, chief executive officers, president, chief software architect, while also being the largest individual shareholder. He is one of the best known entrepreneurs and pioneers of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s. So, viewers, has Bill Gates' profile inspired you? Maybe you will be next on the list, inshallah. So, after going through such a inspirational and motivational success story of Bill Gates, we start our topic of today's episode: social media marketing. Viewers, as we all know very well that in the 1990s the internet was a bunch of banners and brochures. Now we have social networks which allow for much richer two-way interaction. Instead of just signposts on the webs, we have the opportunity to build outposts where people can be seen and heard. Here's my advice on how to use both tools efficiently. Our main site is our home base. There are two things your website should do well: execute a solid call to action and give people a way to connect with you further. If you squint at your website, no one will know what you want the person to do next. If this is the first opportunity to do business with potential customer, no matter how complex your business, your site should give visitors a really clear and obvious action to take. Second, how easy have you made it for a person to contact you? That is your second chance to get the individual's business. Rethink your contact options. The purpose of a great home base is that people to talk with you on the various social networks will feel warm and comfortable about taking the next step with you. Most people's websites are cluttered, making it unclear what users are supposed to do next. Yours will be different once you have the top two items in hands. Social networks are outposts. If you think of social networks as places where things other than your business happen, then you are starting to get how this all works. People are not there to find you, they are there for their own purposes. Our job is to have an outpost there and to listen, so that when someone expresses a need you can address, you will have the ability to start a relationship. This is what I mean by talking science. Your outpost shouldn't contain just a bunch of witty advertising. Your Facebook post should consist of more than well crafted offers. The real win is in making relationships that stick. At the outpost, the goal is not to talk about yourself and your offers, it's about engaging with others, making relationships, and being accessible when the need arises. Viewers, there are some tips to effectively and smartly use the social media networks to enhance the marketing of your businesses. Number 1, set up Google Alerts to search on not just your company and product name, but also to pinpoint ways people might identify a problem that your product or service can solve. Use twittersearch.com to do the same. Talk with others about their interest long before you talk about your company. When you take on new customer, ask if you can follow them on Twitter and suggest they like your Facebook page. Invite them to communicate with you through these outposts. And lastly, spend 30 minutes a day for 2 weeks working on these spaces. Eventually, 30 minutes won't be enough time, but for now, it's a good way to start. Alright viewers, it obviously shows that social media contribution to promote our products, our services is really commendable. And in this current situation of COVID-19, many businesses are availing social media and e-commerce networks to promote and grow their businesses. Hopefully, this episode can be a reminder for all the entrepreneurs to utilize their social media networks for the progress of their businesses or launch a new ventures. In next episode, we will understand the importance of management team in launching a new venture. So next episode is about the organizational plan. It will really be helpful to understand the structure of the organization. So please don't miss it. For more knowledge content or updates, you can like and share my videos and subscribe my channel to watch all the previous and upcoming videos and visit my social media accounts. I am again obliged to you to support me in this journey of spreading knowledge. See you soon inshallah with more useful content. Till then, stay blessed and thank you.